In this video, I'll show you how to make obsidian in Minecraft. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. The first thing you need to do is go and find a source of lava, and you can find lava above ground like this, and you can also go and find it in caves as well, and it doesn't matter where you find it as long as you've got some. Now the next thing we need to do is go and get a bucket. So you can go and craft a bucket by using 3 iron ingots just like so, and placing it in, and then you're going to go and get a bucket. Then what we need to do is go and fill this bucket with water. So I've just made a quick water source here which I'm going to fill up, and there we go, I've now got a bucket of water. I've actually got 2. Now the next thing we need to do is place water in a specific way on lava. And what's also important is what type of lava it is, because there is a slight variation in lava. So for example, I'm going to go and mine a block here. As you can see, that lava is now flowing and it's moving, where this is sort of static and a source block of lava, this is moving. So if you go and put water on moving lava like that, as you can see, you go and get cobblestone, which is not what you want obsidian. So what you need to do is go and put water on a source lava block just like this, where they aren't moving and running, and I'll show you how to do that now. So what I recommend doing is putting it on a block like above the lava, so you get as much flow as possible. So I'm going to go and do it now, just like so, and boom, as you can see, we've now gone and converted a whole pool of lava to obsidian, and now we can go and mine this. So to go and actually collect the obsidian block, you need to go use diamond pickaxe. If you try and use an iron one, when you break it, nothing's going to go and drop. So what I'm going to go and do is go and mine down a bit like that, and make sure there's no lava below it as well, otherwise you may fall in or burn yourself with it. And now let's go and mine this block of obsidian, just like so. As you can see, we're mining it, and it will take some time, so it's worth having an efficiency pickaxe if possible. And it should be breaking any moment now. Bang, there we go, and we've now gone and got a block of obsidian, and we can go and collect say 12 to go to the nether and create another portal, or you can go and do anything what you want with it. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.